Good morning, students. Teacher Jorge here, giving an introduction of Topic 9, Session 1. Classwork to be done is in 3 files: the explanation, quiz number 6, and interactive activity. As you know, the sequence has a logical flow. First, we need to know the context so we can have a good grade in our quiz, as well as in the interactive activity. Let's start then by talking about what a controversial issue is. It's easy. A controversial issue is something that people talk about because it's important. People can have opinions for or against specific topics. Usually when a controversial issue is strong, it has a strong impact, social debates are held, and these are to exchange opinion, trying to reach agreements on specific issues, trying to share a justified, a supported version and opinion about those topics. Here in Mexico, one example could be, I'm not saying that it is, but it could be the mandatory military service. As you know, this is strictly for boys, for male people. Some girls can do it if they give the right reason, but usually it's the boys who do this military service. Smoking indoor prohibition. You probably don't remember, but a few years ago, smoking indoors was allowed. However, Congress in those years created a law to prohibit it because secondhand smoking was causing a lot of people to get sick. So now it's illegal. So some offices, some restaurants or bars have special outdoor areas where people can go and have their smoke and go back indoors. Okay, one topic that has been debated for some time now is the legalization of marijuana. A former president, Vicente Fox, is in favor of this drug legalization, and he even said that he would become one of the first producers and sellers of this drug. Some states in North America, in the United States, have the legal use of marijuana. They use it for recreation reasons and even for medical reasons, but in limited quantities, of course. Now, there is a censorship of books and movies. As you know, movies can be, are actually rated for children or family or teenagers or adult people. It depends on the content, if it's too much violence or has nudity or has something that can create a bad impact on children or families or teenagers. So they are rated, and so are books, but books can be acquired by anyone at any moment, right? Okay, so what to do? What we're going to do in session 1, I need you to go through the explanation section, and you will see some more examples of what a controversial issue is. And at the ending part, in the conclusion section, you will find this instruction. This instruction that says that you're going to choose 3 social issues of your interest. They don't have to be the ones in the platform. You can choose any others that you want. And then you're going to write your opinion on them with arguments in favor or against it. Once you finish, you're going to send by Schoology message. It is important that your notebook is well written so I can understand what I read, of course, and upload it in the frame time that you have, which is 24 hours. Now this writing This task will show me your ability to write and to investigate. I need you to search for information about 3 social issues that you think are interesting for you, and you write your opinion about them. Please, I ask you to do quality work. Remember that your class work and your notebook work should have your name, date, topic, and session. So please try to follow this sequence so you have the right information and you can do the quiz and get a good grade on it, and also in the interactive activity. Thank you very much for watching and listening, and if you have any questions, text me on Schoology and I'll be answering. Thank you guys. Stay safe.